from the other.
It's not burning.
You put your hand underneath.
Yeah.
I won't suggest that, but okay, you're not burning. The gas is running. And what we've got there?
Under.
About 300 and... Oh, we're going 350 degrees there. And you can put your hand underneath, it's not burning.
I think the woman is going in here.
No, that's the LPG gas. This is the supply of the gas to the oven. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Will the Picollo wood oven or gas burn a wooden table? I don't know. I'm going to run this video today to find out. So let's go. We're going to make a nice fire in the wood, and then we're going to test this prototype of the gas. This is not the final product. Coming in a month's time or so will look a bit different, but I thought let's test it while we're on the wooden table today and see if we can do it and if it's a viable option or not. Right, let's have some fun. Come with me. Let's see what we got here. It's actually now so warm, it's more than 400, you're looking at 500 degrees on the thermometer there. The fire is a bit bigger than I would normally make, but because I wanted to test it thoroughly. So this is our fire. So you know, that's bigger than I would suggest for when you're cooking pizzas. That's too big really. Alright. So on the door itself, you can see there 60, 50. Now we're going to the wood side. What is it, 73? Let's see if we go a bit deeper there. Inside 70. So you've got about 70 degrees underneath the Picollo wood fire. So it is a bit warm, I'd say, so you'll have to be careful. If you want to put it on a piece of wood, probably better to lift it a little bit up just to get it away from. Let's look at the side here. 70, still running 70, the leg itself 60. Let's go to the back here. 50 on that leg. Let's check it underneath. 66. Leg itself 50. The back 50, 50. 64. The oven itself 100 there, 120. Warmer and warmer. It's double insulated at the top, so it drops a little bit. And then the flue pipe itself. The big advantage of gas is obviously how easy it is to start and up. Push the button, open up, press the igniter, and off she goes. Let's see how the flames are running. There, got that full cavity, so you've got heat coming from four sides. Okay, now we see how quick it's climbing over there. So that is the advantage of the gas. We can start off, and it seems like within a minute we can basically put in that pizza of ours. 150. Alright, so about a minute now. 200 degrees there. Now it's getting close. I've got it on high on the valve here in front. I think once we put it in, we must bring it down a bit. I'm going to put it in at 250. Let's see how long it takes to get to 250. Okay, so it was under 2 minutes and it reached 250 degrees, and I think this is a good time to test it now and see what she does at 250 degrees if we clean the pizza. Right, 37 degrees under the gas is much more because is about 85, 103, 81, 90. Yeah, so you'll have to be a little bit careful with the wood. It's going to be much warmer. Let's see, 99, actually, right in the middle is about 100 degrees. So yeah, that can be dangerous. You'll have to look at it. It's looking okay. It's not hurting the wood, but it's warm. So my conclusion is, on the gas piccolo, you only had about 50 degrees on the wood. So that's fine. We could even put our hands onto it. It wasn't a problem. On the wood-fired piccolo, well, that's a different story. That was about 100 degrees. So I think it's touch and go if you want to risk putting it on a wood. Maybe put a layer of something in between it. It's not too warm, but maybe you should take some caution there before you put that on the wooden table. But the gas, I don't see any problem. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe if you don't mind. Right, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.